Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Japandi interior design is a captivating fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian simplicity, creating a harmonious and balanced aesthetic that seamlessly blends the best of both worlds. This style celebrates clean lines, natural materials, and a sense of tranquility that permeates every corner of the space. In Japandi decorating, the color palette is subdued and earthy, often featuring a combination of soft neutrals such as whites, grays, and muted tones of beige and taupe. This understated backdrop sets the stage for the integration of natural elements, allowing the beauty of wood and stone to take center stage. The warmth of light-colored wood, inspired by Japanese design, complements the cool elegance of Scandinavian hues. Furniture in a Japandi interior is characterized by its simplicity and functionality. Low-profile, sleek pieces with clean lines reflect the Japanese penchant for minimalism, while the use of light-colored woods echoes Scandinavian design principles. Pieces often showcase the beauty of natural grains and textures, creating a sense of warmth and connection to nature. The concept of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection, is embraced in Japandi decorating. Handcrafted items, pottery, and textiles with subtle imperfections add a touch of authenticity and character to the space. This idea extends to the incorporation of well-chosen decor items, such as simple vases, bamboo accents, or carefully curated art pieces that evoke a sense of calm and balance. In terms of layout, Japandi interiors prioritize open spaces and uncluttered environments. Furniture is arranged to create a sense of flow and balance, with an emphasis on negative space. Multifunctional pieces, such as low coffee tables with hidden storage or versatile shelving units, contribute to the clean and organized look. Natural light is a key element in Japandi design. Large windows and unobstructed views allow an abundance of light to fill the space, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Window treatments, if used, are often simple and light to let the natural light take center stage. Textiles in a Japandi interior add a layer of softness and comfort. Think of light, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen in neutral tones. Soft, oversized throws and floor cushions introduce an element of coziness without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Ultimately, Japandi decorating is a celebration of the beauty found in simplicity and the harmony that arises from the union of two distinct design philosophies. It creates a space that feels both timeless and contemporary, where every element serves a purpose and contributes to a serene and balanced living environment.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!